What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Another trip to the clearance store. I was here, what, 3 days ago? They've been having some fire stuff on the heat rack, so I had to stop by again. I just realized, that's funny. Yeah, a lot of campers here, always campers, which is apropos because Camping World is only, what, a couple stores down? So, yeah, all right, let's go see how many campers are, and let's go see what they got on the heat rack. Hopefully they have a heat rack. We don't know. Dang, the worker, she's wearing David Robinson Dunks. And then, of course, they do have the heat wall. Let's go see what they got. They do got, I was going to do some creeper cam action. They got some Jordan 1 lows right there. They got pennies. I think they're grade school pennies, though. It's like 6.5 pennies. Is that a 6Y penny? The 6Y, I think. All right, so they got the Jordan 1 mids right there. Those are, oh, those are highs, going for 70 a piece. Got the lows up there, the 35 lows going for 80. Okay, there's a size 12 Golf right there. The Jordan 1 low Golf, that's going for 60. Then the pennies, the grade school penny, 6.5. Size 6.5, they're going for $60. I made a call. They didn't. All right, I did call one of my friends. They didn't want it, so. All right, we've been here quite a few times. I'm gonna try to make this trip a little different. Let's see. Let's look around. No additional discounts at the spot, but look, LeBron 19's going for $100, size 8. I'm in the size 8 right now. Tempo Next percent's going for 100. What are these down here? Oh, the Westbrook. Why not 0.5's going for $60? Wow, finding some good stuff. Air Max 97's going for $80. 80 freaking dollars. Are you serious? It's like glow in the dark material too. Wow. Got the Go Fly's going for $60. Maybe if I could find a bigger one. Maybe. Verona Slips going for $35. We are finding some interesting stuff. LeBron's, look at this. LeBron 9s go for $100. This is size 8.5. Got a couple of those. As soon as I move to size 9, more difficult to find. Really interesting stuff. You got some Nike Pegasus Flyees right here, go for 60. It's a Nike by you too, by Margaret at least. Okay. Regular Pegasus go for 60. We've seen these plenty of times. Waffle Racer Craters go for 50. Harachis go for 60. More Air Max 90s. More Terra Escapes. Oh, that's an 8.5, so go for 70. Infinity Run React 2s, got plenty of those in the size 10. Nike by Lisa, some Pegasus. Okay, go for 60. SB Blazer Cords. These are the canvas version of the Blazers. Only $30 freaking dollars. Tons of these. What are these? Nike by you. What is this though? This is Nike by you. The Pegasus, but it's a Flye's version of that. Okay, I haven't seen that type of Flye's. Maybe that's a 38, maybe. Okay, $60. Okay. The boots, I don't think I showed these last time. $100 for these. The SFB Field 8-inch boots right here. These are Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. Yep. These literally just came out. This is a Nike by you. The Nike by you, they get rid of them for hella cheap. But look, these just literally came out. It was made by, is it Tasia? Freaking $60, dude. These came out for, what, $180? They're getting it for $60. 10.5 Zoom Freak 3s going for $50. Oh my goodness. If you need like performance sneakers, like basketball running sneakers, this is the spot because $50 for that is hella cheap. All right, I did check one more time. I checked the e-wall. Nothing's been sold. Like usually they sell stuff and then they'll put more stuff on there. Nothing sold, so nothing new on there. All right, let's go back to the aisles. Size 11s do got some Kyrie's. I'm gonna try these on because this is size 11. I don't know how the Kyrie 8s fit. I really don't know how these fit, so I need to try them on. Yeah, these are tight. Size 11 is the right size for me. It seems like a lot of Nike basketball are like that. Because I did that with the Zions. I did that with the Kyrie 6s. And yeah, pretty much everybody other than LeBron. LeBron and the Antetokounmpos, I can go with a 10 or 10.5, but yeah, the Kyrie's still pretty tight. I had heard that they had resolved the sizing issue, but yeah, I'd still need a size 11 on these. All right, so later if I see a decent colorway that I like, I'm gonna have to pick one up. Especially when they're $60 freaking. Such a steal. Oh my goodness. These some Zoom Freaks right here. Zoom Freak 3s by Randy. These are size 11. Looks like glow in the dark material. This is a Nike by You. So it looks like the strap and then the bottom. So it looks like the strap and the outsole, those are both glow in the dark. $60, dude, not bad. 2090s right here, go for 70. Damn, I was looking for some Air Max 90s in the size 11, did not find any. I'm gonna have to come back later this week. I'm trying to find something for a kid that I know. So much for that. Defy All Days, going for 30. If the Monarchs are too much for you, $30. Oh, I forgot to mention I'm in the size 12. Got some Ebron lows, some wannabe retros. I don't know, wannabe anything, but yeah, who cares how much those are? I don't think most people are too interested. Tempo Next Percent Fly Knits, still $100. Still have that colorway. Let's check the Monarch prices. We did see the Defy All Day, so $10 more than the Defy All Days. Okay. There have been a few of you guys asking about cleats. I have not seen too many cleats lately. Size 12, finally seen some cleats. These are some baseball cleats. All right, that's the name right there. Go for 30. Soccer cleats right here. Go for 80. These are the really expensive ones though. Normally like $250-ish. Checking out the 13s. Not seeing too many interesting things. Like they have some decent stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like the waffle trainers going for 50. The Phantom Elite cleats going for 70. These are the $250, $207 cleats, some of that. The Genomes right here, just nothing crazy. $80 for those. 14s, 15s, I don't see too much craziness, so I think we're gonna skip those. Do got a bunch of LeBrons for $100. Like that's actually a really good deal. Well, not a bunch, they had them in several sizes. And yeah, you guys know 14, 15, plenty of basketball, running sneakers, plenty of those. All right, let's go check. I'm gonna check out one more thing. Still got these offline slides going for $60. They're gonna have to drop the price because we've seen these for quite some time. Still got the campers. There's always campers here during the day. Still got the slides, same as last time. And then we checked the apparel last time. Well, you know what? I'll check. I'll do a real quick check. Because if you can find a jersey here, sometimes they'll stock new jerseys. If you can find a jersey here, you'll find it hella cheap. I bought several jerseys from this spot, but not today. Sweatpants down to $15. Actually, wait, do I have? I have the red sweatshirt that actually matches this. I think they have a black one. I know what's called too. I think my red sweatshirt, I think that matches this. Similar material. $15. Should I grab one? Nah. Oh, okay. They have medium. They have extra large. They don't have a large, so that's actually good news for me because I'm not forced to buy it. I guess I do have gift cards, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But yeah, no. I don't really have to use it up right now. We saw those shorts last time. We saw those shorts last time. I think that's it. I think it's going to be a shorter vlog. I think we're done, you guys. Oh, wait, this is why you always have to look. Never seen this jacket. It even comes with a hang tag. Jordan hang tag. I don't know why I'm such a sucker for stupid accessories like that, but pretty freaking fire. This is a medium, which is my size. $250 down to $80. Holy guacamole. Does have 3M on it. Yeah, that's cool. That's all right. It's all right. I don't know. I'm a little less excited after I looked at the extra jacket. That is a medium. All right. I think that's it. Shorter vlog, but we're done. We're done. We're out. All right, guys. That's pretty much about it. Nike clearance store. You saw the heat section. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Can't find steals. Not always gonna have like the dopest stuff, but that's kind of the game. That's kind of the game, you know. I'm gonna try to hit this spot multiple times a week, to be really honest, because I really want to see what they got. But yeah, I did forget I do have the $100 gift card, so I guess I could use that for something. I'm gonna have to switch things up because I'm not gonna show you guys the same thing over and over, because if I do come here, it's gonna be a lot of the same stuff. So maybe I might do like what. Maybe I might do basketball sneakers on one, casual. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But I'm not going to show you guys the same thing over and over. I try to focus today on stuff that we didn't see last time. So, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully the video's still interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if there's anything you guys would have picked up. And yeah, if you guys don't know the address and stuff as well, everything's in the description. A lot of people still will ask me about the address and stuff. Everything's in the description, the name of the spot, the address, phone number, whatever. So make sure you guys go check that. And that's about it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. That was the Nike clearance store. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.